welcome back to the channel. So today we've got another 2025 M340i. So it's the base rear-wheel drive platform for this car. It's the G20.3 because technically it's the second life cycle impulse or refresh in BMW speak 3 Series. So we'll begin up front with our headlights. So you got the daytime running lights, which are very nice design, I think. Dual headlight design, shadowline lights, and then you got the corner light there in the corner. The grille, blacked out because it's got the M Sport Pro or Shadowline package. I always forget which one it is. It changes, but they're basically the same thing. We have the parking assistance camera there. Then down below, that's the driving assistance Pro package sensor. So a lot more solid. So if you get the driving assistance package, which is just ACC or active cruise control, it's a slightly different design on that. All right, so moving over the side, we got the style 995M wheels, bicolor in design. I think the previous one we had was the 792Ms. So this has got the red M Sport calipers. Take a step back. So you take in a mineral vise from the side profile. And it does show off the lines a little bit. I think the frozen colors work really well. So we'll have a frozen pure gray sometime in the near future. And this is one of the 8 M340i's we got in an allocation round. I forget when, maybe a month or maybe about 2 or 3 months ago. This is one of them that has shown up. Then out back we have the Garni flap in high gloss black, M340i badging in silver, more chrome, and then down below, very aggressive use of high gloss black for the diffuser. A dual exhaust. This one does have the M Performance exhaust. So we'll see what that, well, actually hear what that sounds like in a few moments. Well, let's make our way inside, go over pricing and options on this pretty well equipped G20. The M Lite or M Performance model. And of course, now it has the M-style mirror caps. So opening up, we have the Tacora Red Perforated Sensitech, a no-cost option on the 3 Series. Door card, you have Tacora Red, feels like Sensitech here in the middle, and then upper portion, plastic, more plastic at the bottom. Here's your standard seat that you get in the US market. There's no other seat. We have the head restraint, pretty well bolstered and perforated. And of course, the only drawback with Sensitech on the 3 Series is you do not get side bolster adjustment. You do have to spend money on leather in order to get that feature. Then you got lumbar support and a manually powered crumb catcher. Then M badging on the door sill. Inside, the new M Sport steering wheel. It's a flat bottom steering wheel. We have M badging, we got M stitching. We've got controls over here for driving assistance and cruise control. You got your shift paddles here. And then a red stripe at 12 o'clock. And in front of me, iDrive 8.5 live cockpit, and this is in Sport, I think technically Sport Plus mode. Then heads-up display. Upper dashboard, hard plastic. The rest of the curved display here. And the trim is the aluminum rhombosil anthracite trim. Then new vent controls for 2025. So you have this little adjuster here. You can move the vents around in terms of where the air is blowing. Twist to close, twist to open. More of the trim here in the center console. Then we got start-stop button, drive selector nub, and iDrive controller. All right, starting price, the 2025 M340i is $59,600. The metallic paint is under $650. Sensitech is included. Driving Assistance Pro for their $1,700. The Shadowline package for $600. Parking Assistance package for $700. Premium package for $1,700. Galvanic controls for $100. Maybe the only thing that might be desirable missing is the adaptive M suspension. It's not too bad in terms of price to add it. Otherwise, you're left with the standard option 704 passive M Sport suspension. So, added luggage compartment mat, Wheelox M Performance exhaust, all-weather floor mats. All told, MSRP, this particular example, $69,445. All right, so moving to the back, do have comfort access on the rear doors because it is not ultra wideband. and opening up the rest of that Chicora red interior, which I think pairs nicely with the white paint. And here's a view of the cockpits in the back seat. See the moonroof shade is open. And out back we have vent controls, climate control zone, and USB-C charging ports. And then knee room, leg room I think is pretty good. And headroom, not much of an issue in the back of the 3 Series. All right, so move to the back here. And being a 3 Series, it does have kick to open. And because it's got the premium package, it does include the powered tailgate, which means it also has kick to close. And there's that luggage compartment mat. Cargo area, pretty decent size. Of course, you can also make more room by folding down the rear seats by pulling one or both of those levers. Use our kick to close. And then make our way around the car towards the hood and see what lies beneath. As we take in more of the very lovely 3 Series. All right, so underneath here is the B58 inline-6 3-liter turbo engine, 386 horsepower, 398 torques, so a slight bump in horsepower, and a pretty good jump in torque. But that's it for a quick look at yet another M340i. I did miss at least one that came in, but we'll try to get the other ones on the channel. See you at the next video.